Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about another CSC scholarship in Huazhong University of Science and Technology. So type in Google CSC Guide official and click on the first link. After clicking on first link, you can see here is the detail of all these universities for CSC scholarship. Click on this link. If you couldn't find the detail of all scholarship, then click on CSC scholarship admissions and you can see. Today we discuss Huazhong University of Science and Technology, HUST. So here is the detail of this university. Authority is Chinese government scholarship, Huazhong University of Science and Technology. University name, student category. This scholarship is only for master and PhD candidates, not for undergraduate. And scholarship type is fully funded scholarships, and monthly allowance is 3,000 RMB for master and 3,500 RMB for PhD. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. 15th of April 2021 is the last date, and eligibility criteria is for this scholarship is all for all international students, and age limits for master 35 and for PhD 40 years. So you can apply with English proficiency certificate as well. If you think that IELTS is mandatory in this university, so you are wrong. So IELTS is not mandatory. My friends are studying there, and some of them are graduated from Huazhong University of Science and Technology. So don't worry about IELTS. English proficiency certificate is enough for applying IELTS in HUST. So how to apply for this scholarship? First, you fill the CSC online application form. Here is the link, and after filling on CSC online application form, download the application form and fill the Huazhong University of Science and Technology University online application form. Upload all required documents on CSC form and university form, Huazhong University of Science and Technology University form as well. So no need to send hard copies. 600 RMB application fee. After submitting your Huazhong University of Science and Technology University portal, you need to pay 600 RMB application fee. So applicant shall pay the application fee of 600 Chinese yuan or $100 in 15 days after completing online application successfully. So means after submitting your university online application form, you need to pay 600 RMB application fee within 15 days. If you want to pay fee after 15 days, your application you can't pay the fee, because after 15 days your application portal will not work. So keep in mind, within 15 days you need to pay application fee after submitting the Huazhong University of Science and Technology application form. Okay, and how you pay the fee? Chinese bank card, Union Pay, Alipay, WeChat, and international bank card as well, Visa card or MasterCard. So it depends on you how you pay this fee. After filling both online application form, wait for the result. The result will be announced at the end of July. Okay, last time you can see the result of all universities, universities which show the list of CSC scholarship result. Here is the detail where CSC scholarship admissions, scholarship results. Click on this category. After clicking on this category, you can see all the universities, mostly universities updating here. Answer scholarship result, and South East University scholarship result, and mostly a lot of universities have publish their results. Okay, and now this is the CSC online application form. How you fill the CSC online application form? Here is the detail, and here is the detail. Click here to apply on university portal. The university portal for Huazhong University of Science and Technology is different from other universities, so I'll make a complete video on university portal, that how you fill the university online application form for Huazhong University of Science and Technology. Because now I try to fill the form, but the online application form can't go forward to after filling when I fill the form. So within days, inshallah, I will try my best to fill this online application form and make a complete video on this. So which documents required for the CSC scholarship? First, you must have CSC online application form, Huazhong University of Science and Technology application form, and highest degree. And if you are a student of if you are a university student and studying in 7th or 4th semester, 7th or 8th semester, you must have HOPE certificate, transcript of highest education, notarized copy. You must notarize your documents from your course in your home country, and study plan and research proposal, personal statement as well, and CSC. If you how you prepare these documents. So here is the procedure. CSC channel scholarship 2021 complete procedure. Click here to watch all these, see all these documents. Okay, so you must have CV, 2 recommendation letter, passport photocopy, physical examination form, certificate of no criminal record, means police clearance certificate record is compulsory for CSC scholarship for 2021. English proficiency certificate as well, acceptance letter, it's optional, no criminal certificate record as well. These are the documents which you must have to upload it on university portal and CSC portal as well. So here's the detail of CSC about universities for CSC scholarship for Huazhong University of Science and Technology 2020. So if you want to see this, then here's the video, and I will the update video for Huazhong University of Science and Technology I will be upload soon. So hope so you get all this. Good luck and take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.